Hey everyone, Chris here in Barcelona. Today I'm super excited to give you my first impressions of what I believe foldable phones should have been all along. The Huawei Mate XT, a revolutionary trifold device. This is the world's first of its kind, and trust me, you won't want to miss what it has to offer. Let's dive in. So let's talk about the features that make the Mate XT stand out. First up, the outer screen. It's a sleek 6.4 inches with a resolution of 1080 by 2232 pixels and an 8-megapixel camera, giving you a standard phone experience when it's closed. Now, when you unfold it, you reveal a stunning 10.2-inch display with a 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals. Now, let's discuss the build. Weighing in at 298 grams and measuring 12.8 millimeters thick when closed, it feels substantial but not unwieldy. The design is gorgeous, featuring a leather back and a solid hinge that gives you confidence in its durability. And speaking of durability, the camera setup is impressive. A 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5.5x optical zoom. Plus, it supports 4K video recording. Battery life is also a highlight, with a 5,600 mAh capacity and fast charging options, 66 watts wired and 50 watts wireless. You'll have plenty of juice to power through your day. Overall, my early impressions of the Huawei Mate XT are overwhelmingly positive. It truly feels like a game-changer in the foldable market. The trifold design not only enhances functionality but also offers a true tablet experience when unfolded. I'm really looking forward to testing this device further and bringing you a full review. So stay tuned and let me know in the comments what features you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you soon.